Hi lovelies, if you want to see how this delicious, nice looking, mouth-watering Nigerian meat pie was prepared, please watch the video to the end. Hi lovelies, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be preparing Nigerian meat pie. I have here with me egg for glazing, my Irish potato, and my carrot, ginger, turmeric, garlic, stock, and my onions. You can as well use white onion. I have, most importantly, the meat, vegetable oil for the frying, using 3 chilies. This is based on taste. This is the way I like it. You can just put everything in the blender and blend it straight away. We are done slicing. Please, after slicing the Irish potato, put it in a sieve and just rinse it. Can as well dissolve in water, hot water, little water. This is to help the stock to really dissolve and for the meat to absorb this seasonings. You can use any seasoning of your choice, salt to taste. Cover for 5 minutes in a medium heat. Then we need to add water. I need to add enough water that will accommodate both the carrot, the Irish potato. So I like my meat pie to be moist inside. Irish potato. So you just reduce your heat from 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, once the Irish potato and the carrot are a bit soft, but not too soft, or else it will just melt in the meat pie. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of flour. Just add little water. This will act as a thickener. So I'll just dissolve the flour. It's boiling, pour it in. Our sauce is ready. You put off the flame and allow it to cool. After mixing it, this is how it should be. have our dough. So meanwhile, this is our egg. We'll use it for glazing. Is it? Just do this. The egg wash. This gives it a shiny, beautiful color. Bake at 180 degrees preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Have a look, you see? This is delicious. Just try and give this recipe a try. So on that note, we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching to the end. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. Bye bye.